See if I can figure out how to get to Orion from this direction. Oh, hit that mirror with the box. Just barely tapped it, but you've seen it flex. It's a strong beast now. Maybe we gotta add some oil cooling or something. If they're worried about the heat of it, I think I'm gonna do that. We need a bigger cooler. And he wants me to go ride the bike. He said he wants to check it out and tune it and everything, though he loves the way it is and thinks it's great. But I have to ride it. He wants to see what happens with the spark plug, because the spark plug don't lie. He wants me to get out riding. No brake lights. It might be a little bit hard, but I guess I'm gonna hit anti-polo in the morning. Try to get some brake in on this, some wear on the spark. Piston setting. Let it settle into its new home. Huh? Like my bike, huh? It's a Rusi, man. I thought he was trying to talk to me, but he's just giving me a thumbs up. I guess there's no reason for my engine to be this loud. It's got to be the muffler, because there's many much bigger engines that are not loud like this and don't have silencers. Time for a new muffler. Yeah, he said my bike's a real devil now when he was revving it. It's like Diablo, right? Like devil. I was like, yeah. It's like, yeah, it's really Diablo now. Started it up outside and threw some revs on it. That's all good. I wanted an Orion muffler before, so this kind of works out better since I didn't make one before, because now the engine will need a different one again. Sometimes it all works out for the best. Oh, we're doing 60 already? 66. It didn't even feel like it. My bike's starting to feel like a bigger bike now. That's strange. More power is not going to make the bike feel bigger, is it? Woo! Been a while. Ugh. It's been a while since I've EDSA'd. To get used to and rehome my skills again. Maybe not yet. The Fido mechanic told me to ride it soft. Just get a lot of riding in, nice and soft, between now and Wednesday. Today's Monday, Tuesday, so I guess I got tomorrow to ride. That's it. I think this is where I need to go. Look at that, Victoria Sports Tower. That has 10 floors of fitness stuff. That place is awesome. I went there to check out the condos. I talked to the guy. There are available penthouses left. We exchanged numbers on Facebook, and I was like, yeah, give me the details and everything, because I was really interested in buying one. I mean, they weren't that much, especially during the, you know, pre-sales before it's finished. And I never got back to me with any prices or anything. That sucks, because I really like that place. Hello, first street I ever rode in the Philippines. This street almost gave me a heart attack when I first came here. Not that bad. I mean, it was a little bit busy when I first rode it, and I was riding on the side, and I never lane split before, so it was a bit crazy. Whoa, that throttle without two hands on it is a little bit much. This is where we need the clubhouse area. I should ride on these side roads and look for something. Oh, it was Rusi. It looked like they had that one EJ likes, the Royal. Need to see that in person and see how it actually is. Alright, where you at? Look at Moto Light. Huh. Yeah, I can buy a battery. Orion right here. Orion. There we go. I want to talk to Orion about putting a bigger, quieter muffler on here. So check this out. I am inside Orion's new waiting area. They built a waiting area, nice cold AC, TV, free Wi-Fi. Nice. You don't have to sit outside and sweat no more. So for the Diablo, he says with that big bore, you know, single piston, all that, it's gonna be loud no matter what. There's not really anything I can do, but if I put a silencer in, ride real soft. He thinks even the Orion Muffler is gonna be still loud on it. And the funny thing is, this is a business, right? You think they want to sell their muffler and make money. Also, it's good advertisement too, right? Because it's on YouTube and everything all the time. But he's like, no, sir, that's not going to do what you're looking for. Just keep your muffler. Honesty, that's great. I love companies that are honest. But I told him, it's okay, I want the Orion. I'm sick of having the two brothers now. I want the Orion Muffler. So he's going to try the new one on here and see how it goes. Haha, look at that beauty. Custom made muffler for the Diablo. Much better sounding than the two brothers. Loving it. I'll give you a listen to it. Orion's the best sounding mufflers I've ever heard anywhere. Good, I finally got it on here. You gotta be careful revving it. Moves the whole bike. Much better sounding than the two brothers. And it doesn't even have the silencer yet. They're making that right now. These guys are awesome. Woo! Thank you, man. Thank you so much. Thank you. Awesome. They even built me a silencer. I didn't even ask for the silencer, but he said in case I want to go to BGC or something like that, have a slip-in silencer. So yeah, there it is. Orion Jose on the Diablo. That looks much better. I'm very happy with that. And it sounds way better too. It's deeper. I think it's deeper than my two brothers. A little bit less loud, but without the crackling. See? So much better. It's like, you want to test ride it? Nope, it's good. Oh, it feels better too. No way. Yeah, it feels better. Please, people, don't walk in between the cars. Yeah, it's getting a little bit tight right there. Yeah, comes into a spot of not getting through. Ow! Ow! Hit my ankle on the jeepney. And there's like no traffic earlier. Gee, now I can feel the difference. Mirrors at the same spots. Got a walker. What's this guy doing? Camote riders with safety gear. See, camote doesn't always mean no gear. I got reflective safety gear and it's camote riders. Sounds great. Thank you, Sir Rico. Thank you, Orion Muffler Shop. And Wednesday, thank you, Fido. Hello, friend, fellow rider. I'm not getting anywhere. My hand is not used to this traffic anymore. My clutch hand is killing. It's cramping up. Whew, I used to fly through here. Hard to think that it's much different than it used to be. I guess the difference is my ninja skills, my Jedi skills are not what they used to be. They need homed in. Well, we just know if he can do it, I can do it. Yeah, I think it sounds good. I don't think it needs a silencer after this muffler. This guy's pretty good with that saying. Very happy things are turning more positive now. I was in a slump for a little bit. Sorry about all the negativity, guys. I get a lot of comments about people saying, oh, don't take YouTube comments so serious and let them upset you and this and that over my live stream video where I was supposed to calm things down and wasn't so as nice as I planned to be. But that wasn't towards the YouTube comments. Like, that don't matter. You're always gonna have trolls saying this and that on YouTube. It was about people in real life that know me and that know Sir Rico, and everybody's getting upset and butthurt over it. And yeah, so it was addressing that stuff, just because people are twisting up what's going on and spreading fake news. Okay. My turn's coming up. Yeah, see, Cabal is really not far from my house, even in all this heavy traffic. To come from Cabal to get to Green Hills. But if you're coming from Green Hills, you have to go through all kinds of extra crap. That really makes it a pain. I wish I put a light and you could just cross over, but with the MRT there, I guess that's never gonna happen. Don't play chicken with the cab car. Yeah, it's a little bit jumpy. I think I need to get that smaller sprocket back on the back of it again. Damn, busy Annapolis. Oh baby, I'm so happy to have you back. Back working. Shit, it's late in the afternoon now, but I think I need to go out tonight, so I'm not gonna put it downstairs. Gotta break it in some. I'll wait for traffic to go down a bit. Maybe I'll just ride up to Mall of Asia or somewhere. So in the Philippines, beep, flasher horn, or rev means watch out, I'm coming through. In America, rev might mean I'm coming through, but usually flashing your lights tells them to go ahead. Here it's like, get out my way. I guess revving's the same way. Oh. Can I get a spot? Can I get a spot? Well, car, you came here at the wrong time. It's my spot. Shit. Wasn't paying it, didn't see it in time. What the fuck, man? Everybody's on the wrong side of the road? School let out, I guess. There we go. Here's a spot. That's okay. That's a really tight fit. I don't know if I fit there. Oh, they're all gonna make room for me. See how nice people are? I guess there's more room than it looks like. I guess there's more room than it looks like. It looks small. Thank you. This one's over. I'm home. Diablo's back.